আমি কানো এইটো সীমা ছোৱালী লিনা কোৱাটো হাৰাইছে এনেকা হৈছে কৈ কিনে আমাখান জাগাতে বিচাৰিব লগাবি নহয় তাইতো ইয়াতে পৰা যোৱা কালি চুমুতে যোৱা আছে মৰ্ণিং দে যোৱাটো তাই যাই কিনে মুৰাণীতে ৰখিছে যোৰাতে যাবলৈ আছে কৈ কিনে মুৰাণীতেহে ৰখি যাইছে কৈ কিনে এনেকা খবৰ পাই আছে দেই
Ajibsor la pola khoboti ENPO khantu ja kalibra ai thaka Lok Sabha election 19 of April 2024 Eastern Nagaland People's Collective Decision Law Nishna election participate Nakrubo Karni Honorable Chief Election Commission of India aro Election Commission of India khanji address krilo shiko ase ENPO khan laga letter addressing team Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO Khantu Creation of Frontier Nagaland Territory Government of India Khanbra offer Krugena Ministry of Home Affairs Khan Jasal December 7 Tarik Lok Sabha Election Model Code of Conduct announced Nokra Akiti MOS sign Kulobole assure Krugena Fel Hoja Karni ENPO Khantu Jinmoho Resolution Re-FM Krugena Central State Election Participate Nakrubole Fesla Kurgena Thagya Nishna Itubar Lok Sabha election ti participate Nakrubo Kugena Khobor Kuri dia ase Kile ENPO Khantu MCC Election Commission of India Khanbra announced Nokra Kiti through letter Aromas Public Relay organized Kurgena reminded Kuri Aja Sholipi Ministry of Home Affairs Khan Nahuna Nishna Chipchap Bohina declare Kurla Nimiti Eastern Nagamanu Khantu situation compel course of action lobole lakibo kogena jonai ase aro ENPO khan itu decision loi thaka tuli act of defiance against electoral machinery or principle of democracy intended quran hoi hulepi itu principle within framework of India Constitution under the thaka sabti Eastern Nagamanu laga grievances and aspiration karni awas uthai dia ase itu karni government of India khantu concern Kudigina long-standing issue of frontier Naga territory address Kudibole urge Kudi Assam. Itu karni dangor request Kugena Jathaka Sabti, Election Commission of India through State Chief Electoral Office, State of Nagaland Khantu, ENPO Laga decision opportive, necessary arrangement Kudigina, upcoming Lok Sabha election absent Karni, accommodate Kudibole address Kudi Assam. Nagaland State District alag-alag ti ja kalipi hawa pani dangor aha issue ti alag-alag khatna ulagena thagya sabti ja kali pujor choi baji inikatam ti lightning thunder karni mon district ti ekjon laga jan harai dishe kogena khobor dia ase aro ja kali din 12 baji ada inikatam ti hawa dangor ahigena church building of Lichang Bosti Kiphire town bra 12 kilometer jaigina thakati phangai disha aro khatnati church ekla nohogena private building pani kheti kitchen garden aro electric post khanpi pura puri girai dishe olipi itu report patakti iku casualty report nai holipi affected family khantu duk digdar pai thakya khobor dia ase aro desh phitorte Lok Sabha pul ageti dangor development activity ani thakya tuli oil marketing company khantu 19 kg of commercial LPG gas cylinder across country dam namai dibole jonai loise official update ti oil marketing companies khantu ja kalibra jonai disha aro 19 kg commercial LPG gas cylinder across country effect kurlogina revised kridia price range toli 30 to 32 rupees city hesab namai digena jolli jabole thakya viewers khan ke jonai dia ase aro ai thakya Lok Sabha election ti 7 ta phase phag kurgena rakhilo bole thakya tuli first phase 19 of April 102 seat phase 2 26 of April 89 seat phase 3 7 of May 94 seat phase 4 13 of May 96 seat phase 5 20 of May 49 seat phase 6 25 of May 57 seat aro phase 7 1st June 57 seat inika rakhilo bole thakya viewers khan ke jonai dia ase